went out with what list? As the lover dance on the stars, the passion and the shine. Please welcome Dikshita Pathak from News Department and Alisa from News Department. Please come on the stage.
यहाँ पे डांस चल रहा है गाइस, कपल्स डांस।
Oh Romeo, why did you leave? We kissed and yearned for more. My heart aches. You're a Montague. I did leave, but couldn't help for coming back. How did you come here? They will kill you. Just go. After listening to my life, confessing her love to me, does it really matter if I live or die? You don't want to leave? Just leave. They will see you. I have night's cloak to hide me from their sight, and let them find me here. For my life is better ended in their hate than live every moment your love. You love me? Juliet, I swear by the moon. The moon changes. Don't swear by it. What do you want me to swear by? Your true, beautiful self. Say you love me, Romeo, and I will believe. I will choose to believe every word you say. Knowing well that our families are sworn enemies, I never felt the Juliet. You want to get married? To the only child of Lord Capulet. Right. You know the risk. A secret marriage of secret lovers, and they kissed again. And now we will see next what happened to them and what is going to be the destiny of these two lovers. To pick Romeo to kill, but Romeo is a lover, not a fighter. You know that the prince of table is of cat, of sight, enough to have killed. Just stop fighting. Remember what Prince said. You both will be imprisoned for life. When Romeo came, he tried to stop them, but राजा पे फोकस करो, राजा पे फोकस करो ना, राजा का मूछ है। देखो ना, देखो ना, राजा को सोई।
Tybalt killed Mercutio and Romeo killed Tybalt. I hereby declare that Romeo is banished from Verona.
Only banished?
हम ये सब नहीं देखते हैं, तुम लोग देखती होगी तो तुमको पता होगा। हम तो खुद रोमियो जूलियट लगा, जो किसी का कहानी नहीं पता।
How is my Juliet? See this and my what have I done? I brought tears in her eyes. I hurt my love.
गाइस इतना पीछे बैठे हैं ना कि फ्रेश नहीं आ रहा, बट कोई बात नहीं, आप लोग मैनेज कर लीजिएगा।
लवर के बारे में पूछ रहे ठीक है कि नहीं ठीक है, ठीक ना, चुपचाप से सुनाओ क्या बोलना चाहते हैं।
It's not morning yet, my husband. It's night. What is me talking about? You have to leave. But I don't want to. We will meet soon, right? Of course I'll have to see you. Otherwise my breath
क्या
will
क्या
run out.
देखना पड़ रहा है वुमेन्स कॉलेज।
Send me a message every day. I'll send message every second I can. Juliet, I love you, Juliet. Farewell, my love. Back end, and how you see the destiny of two lovers change. How the anger changes the lover into a murderer. And he was going to leave Juliet and went to out of the city. Benvolio, why aren't you speaking? I hope, brother, as beautiful as ever, heavens were also jealous of her, and they took it back. Your Juliet is dead. No, it's a lie.
गलत सही स्टोरी बताया जा रहा है कॉलेज में रोमियो जूलियट। इससे अच्छा तो पहले बोलता है कि मर गई है, देखो फिर से ये आ चुकी है। अब वो आराम से चला गया। देखो नई लड़की पैदा लिया, लाल फराक वाली।
रो रही है।
पता नहीं ले लाल वाली जूलियट की मूवी थी।
आवाज़ ही नहीं आ रहा गाइस, इतना दूर है क्या?
माइक नहीं है।
This from your heart? Yes, my soul. I want to see you happy. Very well. Go tell father that I feel guilty to have disobeyed him. I'll confess to the friar today. My love is banished, and now I'm forced to marry another man. My heart wants to leave my body. It refuses to be without Romeo. I'll surely die if I love. Took you away, but it couldn't took your beauty. I told you, next time we meet, we'll never be apart again. This divine poison on earth, for it will reunite us, Juliet. What poison? Romeo, is it already heaven? Romeo, what did you do? What did you do, Romeo? What happened to you? Juliet, I love you, Juliet. What did you do? You didn't even spare a thought for me, Romeo. I cannot leave without you. I'm coming to you. And Juliet's call. Demand are the power of love and sacrifice. What? Let's be it clear, okay? Thank you so
गाइस प्रोग्राम ख़त्म हो गया। सो गाइस फाइनली प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट हो चुका है। हम लोग क्लासरूम में आके बैठ चुके हैं, कोई नहीं है, एकदम क्लास शांत है, मैम सर कोई नहीं है और हम लोग बैठ गए हैं। आप लोगों को कैसा लगा ये प्रोग्राम बताइएगा ज़रूर।
बेसिकली ये प्रोग्राम में रोमियो जूलियट का स्टोरी था और कुछ नहीं था। तुमको समझ में नहीं है क्योंकि तुम स्टोरी ही नहीं जानती हो।
हाँ हम देखे ही नहीं है कभी।
जानते हम भी नहीं है, आज पता चला कि दोनों मरा था, कैसे मरा था, क्या क्या करके मरा था। अब नहीं
क्या क्या हुआ था आज पता चला। मतलब वैसे तो हम कभी ये सब देखते नहीं है, लव सब वाला हम नहीं देखते ज़्यादातर, मतलब देखते ही नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं देखते हैं।
मैं भी देखती नहीं हूँ, देखने में फोकस कम रहता है।
बाय बाय गाइस।
बाय।